In countless classrooms across the country, there is a daily struggle between teachers who try to control their learning environment and some students who disrupt it. Some of these students willfully disrupt classrooms because their schools lack a systematic and immediate method to deal with disruptive behavior. These disruptions steal valuable time from teachers who are already burdened by archaic and time-consuming methods to document behavior and determine conduct grades for all their students. For these schools, teachers, and students, things are about to change. Now there's ConductMonitor. But before we tell you about a few of its many features, let's look at the importance of classroom management and the behavior documentation methods that most teachers use today. A well-managed classroom is critical to student performance and achievement. It provides an environment in which high student performance and achievement are possible. In contrast, a teacher's inability to manage classroom behavior often contributes to low student achievement and higher dropout rates, especially among at-risk students. Teachers who struggle to control classroom behavior also suffer from high stress and burnout. But before the teacher can get help from the parents and principal, they have to provide documentation of student behavior. Some teachers document student behavior daily based on the school's grading scale. They assign each student a letter grade, sometimes with a note that parents must sign. Some teachers write these daily conduct grades on a chart that they use to determine an overall grade for each grading cycle. If a teacher believes that a disruptive student deserves a failing conduct grade, schools usually require accurate behavior documentation of each incident. The problem is that most teachers don't have a convenient way to accurately document student behavior. Most schools use their district's database to record behavior incidents, but teachers have to take time to turn in a written report to the school administrator, who then enters the information in the database. This process causes many behavior incidents to go unreported until the situation escalates beyond the control of the teacher. Some schools pay for third-party databases to record behavior incidents. These databases allow teachers to input data directly through a classroom computer, but the teacher has to wait until it is convenient to do so. These databases are becoming less affordable at a time when school district budgets are being cut. Many schools can't afford third-party databases, so some teachers buy their own behavior tracking software, which they may use on a mobile device or computer. Since teachers have to pay for the software, not all teachers use them, and each teacher chooses the one they like best. Teachers who buy their own behavior tracking software spend a lot of time entering data for all of their students and then transferring it to their mobile device. This process wastes time because this data is already in the school's database, but the teacher cannot access it. Also, these apps store data on the mobile device, so each teacher has to back up their data frequently in case their device is lost, stolen, or damaged. To report behavior incidents to principals and parents, these apps require teachers to send emails or text messages. This places an added burden on principals, who have to keep track of individual emails from different teachers. For principals and behavior specialists, a major disadvantage of these apps is that they allow each teacher to create a customized list of behavior classifications for documenting incidents. These customized behavior classifications make it harder for administrators and behavior specialists to develop a systematic approach regarding disruptive behavior. It doesn't have to be this way. Now there's ConductMonitor. ConductMonitor lets teachers document student behavior violations in seconds using an iPhone, iPad, or any smartphone or mobile device with web access. Here's how it works. The school administrator uploads class and student information from your school's database into ConductMonitor. Teachers access their students' data as soon as they open the free iPhone or web app. This saves teachers a lot of time because they don't have to enter student data and import it into their mobile devices. ConductMonitor lets teachers document positive and negative behavior and assign each student a daily conduct grade based on a 4-color scale. At the beginning of each class, all students start on green. If one or more students commit a behavior violation, the teacher can change their color level and document the behavior in seconds, including creating a voice memo or note. This makes an accurate record of the incident while the details are still fresh. ConductMonitor makes the information available to principals, behavior specialists, and the students' parents in real time without the teacher having to send emails or text messages. And it displays the students' behavior history in each class. These features save teachers a lot of time and provide standardized, real-time data that principals, parents, and behavior specialists can use to make informed decisions. ConductMonitor is there when teachers need it. It automatically begins recording the behavior of every student in every class based on the bell schedule of the school. When teachers document behavior incidents, they choose from standardized behavior classifications. The behavior data can be stored in the school's network or on ConductMonitor's secure 24/7 servers. This means that teachers no longer have to back up data on their individual devices. But that's not all ConductMonitor does. When a teacher needs to determine conduct grades at the end of each grading cycle, they often guess based on each student's daily conduct record. ConductMonitor eliminates uncertainty and guesswork for teachers by calculating a conduct grade for each grading cycle and for the entire school year. You can even use ConductMonitor for before-school and after-school programs, extracurricular activities, and bus transportation. With ConductMonitor, behavior data is portable, accurate, timely, and flows in all directions. And since your school budget is getting tighter, this time-saving, problem-solving tool is at a price that will make your jaw drop. We don't have enough time to show you all of its features, so to learn more, go to www.conductmonitor.com.